You don't talk to a virtual assistant. You talk to a complex mathematical model that's constantly guessing what you want next. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the technology powering Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant to understand how they transform your voice into digital action. We'll look at the sophisticated engineering that makes these assistants feel human and why they occasionally get it completely wrong. The process begins with automatic speech recognition, or ASR. When you speak, your device captures your audio waveform and breaks it into tiny segments called phonemes, the smallest units of sound in a language. These phonemes are fed into a deep neural network, which acts a massive pattern recognition machine trained on thousands of hours of human speech. Remarkably, these systems don't hear words. They calculate the statistical probability of what sequence of phonemes represents a specific command. This is why assistants often struggle in noisy environments, as the background sound distorts the statistical data. Once the computer understands the text, it moves to natural language understanding, or NLU. This is where the magic and the frustration happens. The system must parse your intent, separating the what from the how. If you ask, "Is it gonna rain today?" the NLU identifies the intent as weather and the entity as current location. To improve accuracy, companies use a technique called intent classification, which narrows down your thousands of possible requests into specific, executable categories. Interestingly, these assistants aren't just getting smarter at speaking, they're getting better at mimicking empathy through sentiment analysis. However, a counterintuitive truth is that these systems are often less accurate than simple keyword searches for factual data, because they're designed to be conversational. They sometimes prioritize sounding natural over being strictly precise. Ever wonder why your assistant suddenly triggers when you aren't even talking to it? We'll explore the wake word architecture that keeps these devices in a constant state of hypervigilance. In short, virtual assistants bridge the gap between human linguistics and machine logic by turning intent into probability. They're brilliant statistical engines, not conscious minds, and understanding this distinction is key to mastering them. If you found this dive into AI fascinating, and comment below with the weirdest thing your assistant has ever done.